how to remove duplicates from a string in JavaScript. Let's say you're a dancing queen, so let s equals string ABBA. If we're removing duplicates, the string should be left with just A and B. Like always with this, the data structures lead the way. It turns out that JavaScript sets maintain insertion order. If you're aware of the other part of the sets don't allow duplicates, so we can do this all in one line. Let s no dups equals array brackets of spread operator on new set of s, and outside of that we call the join function with the empty string. All this does is make the string into a set, spread each element into an array of each character in the string, and then joins each character into the array into a new string where each character is separated by nothing. If we print out s no dups and run the code, you'll see AB printed out. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.